In this video, I'm going to give a short review about Parcel land use table. For details about the table, structure, and definitions, please check page 1-4 to 1-14 in SacSim model document. Now let's take a look at how the parcel table looks like. This is the regional table for SACOG 2012 MTPSAS 2035 scenario. There are about 730,000 records in this table. Each record represents an individual parcel. SACOG maintains a parcel file for 2008 base year. There are over 11 million parcels in SACOG region. The parcel table used in SacSim only contains parcels which has developed or will be developed in the planning year. The only spatial information maintained in the file is the XY coordinates of a point. We use the centroid in our model. The final format of parcel table to SacSim is DBase file, except for the unique ID, XY coordinates, tags, and the area of the parcel. The variables in the table can be grouped into these categories. Housing variable, which are the number of occupied housing units. Two types of school enrollment, K-12 and university. Nearby street pattern information is stored in the following fields: nodes 1Q, 1H, nodes 3Q or H, nodes 4Q and H. Transit proximity is represented at the parcel level as the distance to the nearest transit station or stop. Two variables are computed for each parcel. The distance to the nearest rail station is distance LRT, and the distance to the nearest bus stop, distance bus. The distance is computed as the straight line distance for the parcel point and the nearest station or stop. Off-street parking includes supply and cost variables, also differentiated by daily and hourly parking. There are 9 categories of employment. For definition of employment categories, please check page 1-12 to 1-24 in the model document. Also, please note that there are some other variables are presented in the table, but they are not used in the SacSim model. Other fields can be empty, but pstring and grid ID. These two fields are associated to each parcel in the base year parcel table and will be used in the buffering process. Most variables come in 3 forms: parcel level, and quarter mile and half mile buffer variables. Variable names are ended with P or Q or H respectively. Buffer variables are computed as straight line radius distance from the parcel centroid based on XY coordinates values of the surrounding parcels. So this is a quick view of the parcel table.